Welcome to Legit Ideas, the number one go-to YouTube channel for finance and tech. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.
Yo, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Pixeltap Combo. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can earn up to 6 million Pixeltap coins. As you can see on my screen, I just won 6 million Pixeltap coins, and I'll be showing you how to do that for today's combo. Stay with me in this very short video. Let me show you how to get today's combo and claim yours. So once you have opened your Telegram app and you have located the Pixeltap bot, you click on launch bot. You click on launch bot here. Okay, allow it to load. Now, so once it's enough load, you know where to click. You click on reward. You click on reward here, and then you click on play. So to get the combo, click on reward. Click on reward. Yeah, yes. Click on reward. Then on this page, you click on play. Click on play for the one of Dailycombo, the one I'm pointing now. You click on play. Okay, then you see this is how the page will look like. Now these are the boxes you drag. The first one, for the first box, you drag this one. Let me point it with an arrow. Yes, you drag it and put in the first box. You drag it and put in the first box like this. Okay, now for the second box, you drag this one. See this one I'm pointing my arrow now. Yes, take note of it. You drag it and put in the second box. Okay, very good. Now for the third box, you drag this one. Let me point it. Yes, you drag it and put in the third column. And for the final column, final box, you drag this one in this last row. Yes, this one I'm pointing now. You now put it in that final column. Having done that, you click on check. Click on check, which is to confirm it. Okay, let me click on check now. Now, having clicked on check, you see it is won. Congratulations, claim your reward. You have won a whooping sum of 432,000 Pixeltap points. Now, you can click on claim to receive your reward. Remember, you can win up to 6 million and even more than that Pixeltap combo. So come back to Legit Ideas TV YouTube channel every morning for daily combo or Pixeltap to earn more tokens from us. If you have not yet started, please use the link in the description section of this video or check the comment section for the link to start right away. If there's any other thing you want us to, any other tapping or Telegram airdrop you still want to join, please scroll through our channel pages and you see the videos on guides. If there's anyone you want us to make a video on, please ask us. We hope to see you in our next video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new from this video today. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please. Thank you.